Yeah, yeah man, good morning. A little bit by a dark. Yeah man, blessed morning. So I say, straight, some face bright and pretty. Ha ha! Yeah, you know, and I will have vibes straight up to the time. Pick up all of my friends them out there. Yeah. Pick up the one man army straight. Yeah man, I don't know the thing said. Up to the time. Yeah. Yeah, born bad man, you see it. Straight. Start the man in early vibes, yeah. So the thing said. So I have to do it more time to keep up spirit, you know. Give thanks for another day still. Yeah man, up to the time. Don't know. Yeah man. Pick up all the youth them where I try. Born all the years of them, you see what I say? Yeah man. Hey, where am I on? So your body say. But all the people and I use people too. And a gunspire, you see it? Yeah, I say yo, if you're a gangster for your own. Don't gangster with nobody. You see me? Because in the ending party, I could go down with them. Can't bother with that. Some people have to beg people to do things to them. You know, depend that. Yeah, you have to have your own thing. To do your own thing. Real. Straight. You know, influence nothing but you know. You have to protect yourself. Straight in the street right now to one seat ago. A whole heap of crazy people out there, you don't know what can happen. You know what I mean? Well, that's what me hate you. Just because I make you look at money. When you're not right, nobody don't know you, you know, so I was going to say always. But through you know all the little thing, they have some of them come to mash you down. You know? Yeah, man. I want this try we have. I laugh off of you. But here's a God, you know. The wicked never stop. But they're going to stop by the Almighty, you see it. I'm going to stop them. Straight. I mean, no want a friend from the wicked. I mean, no want a friend from the vampire. Straight. No wicked boy, no wicked girl. Me no want a friend from none of them. Because your friend if you can kill you. You see me I say, I come take away your little thing them way have. Straight, that's what I see it. Me not go around the corner and talk. Because when them a chat with them friend and plan to do your things, you're not here. The spirit of God if you show me them things there. Straight. Don't trust nothing around you. And the God alone if you trust. Remember me tell you that. I have some dirty mind people live around man. Straight. No corner we not go on. We are going to build a fire if you know watch them, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, for real. Man I go the out. Straight. Yeah man I go the out. Straight, I tell you that. I swear. Up to the time, you know? Where are you man? Yeah man. Big up down here on the crew. Big up Blackface. Straight. What you mean? Yo. Big up all on the core work of them. Straight. Me a big up my boss. Yeah man. Up to the time. Boy, them big sense are born your grave, you know what I make.